Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, my name is Abigail Bernardo. I am 25 years old from Mulad Bukad Grande, Ginubatan, Albay.
And your marital status?
I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, one child, ages 6 years old.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
4 siblings.
And your order in the family?
I am 4th child.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate
Why did you not go to college?
because financial problem.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I'm work from 4 years and 9 months from 2 families.
And your duties are?
My duties are washing clothes, ironing, and cooking and take care of child.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am fast learning, kind, and
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
no,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to work abroad?
to help my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Now give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk him calmly.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Dear my future employer, I will promise to be a good worker, and I assure you hardworking and honest. If you have a child, I will love them as my own, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.